Hi, let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Work into the ring. Make 9 single crochet into the ring. For this, make a chain. I will not use it. And 9 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3. While I am doing my single crochet, I remove a long piece of yarn. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of double crochet. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I did a slip stitch into. Make double crochet. And make double crochet twice into each stitch of the previous round. 1 and 2. Continue with the next stitch. 1 and 2. Double crochet twice into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. As you can see, I am making increase in this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round. I'm about complete round 2. Once I have done 17 double crochet plus 3 chains to bring up the yarn. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch, 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch. Let's crochet the next round. For this, make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the third chain stitch that I worked before, and make treble crochet. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the third stitch. Make treble crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make treble crochet, not finish. And pull through all loops on the hook. Well done. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the third stitch, make treble crochet, not finish. Then treble crochet, not finish into the same stitch. And pull through all loops on the hook. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about complete round 3. Insert the hook into the top of my cluster. Make a slip stitch. My round 3 is ready. Let's crochet round 4. It is going to be the last round of my snowflake. I will crochet trim. I will start crocheting from this point, continue with the opposite stitch, and then work with chain space. Then work in round and continue with the chain space. Let's crochet my trim. Make a chain, Work with the stitch. Make chain with slip stitch. I will count only slip stitches. 1 chain, 2, in total it should be 7 of them. 2, 3, chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain. Work with the opposite side. Make slip stitch with chain 7 times. Let's count. 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain. Here what I have at this point, I continue working on my trim. Work with chain space. Make slip stitch with chain. 1, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6. Once I have done slip stitch with chain 6 times, continue, make a chain. Now I show you how to crochet the triple picot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. My triple picot is ready. It is very simple and beautiful at the same time. Continue working with trim. Make slip stitch and chain 6 times. Let's repeat. 2, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 chain. Work with the next cluster. Before continue, let's stop and look what I have done. So my beautiful point is ready. Let's make one more. Make slip stitch with chain 7 times. Let's count. 1 chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain. Turn the work and work with the opposite stitch. Slip stitch with chain 7 times, 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain. Work with the chain space. 1 and chain 2 and chain 3, chain 4 and chain 5 and chain 6 and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains for the picot and slip stitch. Chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and make slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and slip stitch with chain 6 times, 1, 2 and chain 3 and chain 4 and chain 5, chain 6 and chain. So my 2 points are ready. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete the last round. I insert the hook. This is the top of my 2 stitches. Insert the hook into this top, make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it. Then I turn the work on the back side and remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. You can add a bead to the center of the snowflake if you want. And let's look what I have done. Here how my project looks like when I'm done. I already removed my yarns and I add a bead to the center of the snowflake. My beautiful snowflake is ready. It consists of only 4 rounds. And for this snowflake you don't need special skills, you just need to know how to work with chains, single crochet and double crochet. All information about the tools, kind of tools, could be found in the description of this video tutorial. For example, I have made exact snowflake but using cotton yarn. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss my new video tutorials. And please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.